Hi, I'm Nicole from Vitamunda Health. Included in your kit is a tips and how-tos booklet. I'd like to share some tips from this booklet to hopefully make your colon cleanse go a lot more smoothly. To begin with, do not ever skip your meal shakes as they contain the active ingredients for the colon cleanse. Next, you can skip the other shakes, but they are recommended since the nutrients will help power you through the day. Remember to drink 2 liters or 4 pints of water in addition to your shakes. And finally, do not drink alcohol while on the program. The first tip is that you can vary your meal shake by adding various types of organic fruit and vegetable juices, such as coconut water, carrot juice, beetroot juice, or mango juice. It's important that these do not contain any added sweeteners or sugar of any kind. For example, you could make your meal shake with 2 different types of vegetable juices, like celery and carrot juice. The second tip is, if you're finding it difficult to drink your meal shake all in one go, you can divide it in 2 and have 2 different shakes about half an hour apart. Make sure to use the same amount of water, but only half of the powder. That extra water will count towards your 4 pints. The third tip is that instead of water, you can drink herbal teas, such as chamomile, lemongrass, or nettle tea. You can even have some fresh mint tea. Just be sure to avoid black teas or mixed teas, which might contain black or green teas. You can also have a cup of clear vegetable broth. Just be sure there aren't any additives. Or you can have a cup of warm coconut milk with cocoa powder as a special treat. These tips are included in the tips booklet along with the 6-day meal plan. When you finish the colon cleanse, you might want to make a few simple changes to your life in order to keep that clean feeling. The booklet contains 9 tips to help you do this. For example, eat more fruits and vegetables, avoid sugar, and also try to consume fermented foods such as sauerkraut and buttermilk. You may also want to take some superbiotics and prebiotics after the treatment. You can find these on the Vitamunda Health website. I hope these tips have been useful to you and will help your colon cleanse to be more enjoyable.